Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney. Today we're going to talk about how to join Lux. I'm going to walk you through what Lux is, how to join for $23 a month, as low as $0 today, how to promote and sell Lux. Okay, so that's going to be our breakdown, how to start digital marketing and how to join Lux. So this is the community Lux. This is what you're going to get when you log in, when you join with the link in the description. This is the community tab. If you go to the classroom tab, you're going to get what's the modules. Okay. It's all the knowledge you need, including Luxbot that you're going to use to create content. Okay. If you go to my Stan Store, I'm going to walk you through this. So if we click my Stan Store link, okay, because this is what you're going to click on when you get to my link, okay, you see here, it says Lux Sneak Peek. You can get a sneak peek if you want, okay? Um, my digital marketing guide, you can get it if you want it. You can build your Stan Store free 14-day trial. When you buy Lux from me, I have your store set up for you. So you can go ahead and start marketing and not have to worry about setting up your store. So you're going to click get started now. Okay. You're going to see it's 267. Okay. Here's the sales page. You can read about it if you want. But when you scroll all the way down, you're going to delete all this. I don't know why that's auto put in, but you're going to put your name, put your email, agree to the terms, agree to the terms. And then right here is Klarna. Okay. It's going to bring up 12 payments of $23.97, 6 payments of 46, 50 or 66 and 91. There's so many to choose from. So you can break this up into payments. If you can't do Klarna, do Afterpay. Okay? So when you join Lux Income Lounge, okay, what I want you to know is you're going to go through these modules, and these modules can tell you how to sell, like selling in your stories if you want to sell on Instagram. What I do is I use Claude, okay, and you'll see here there's a let me see, it's on the first page. Creating with Claude. There's a module. Let me see. But you don't have to sell if you don't want to. Creating with Claude right here. You can create your own digital product. You can do letter writing. You can do a VA. You can become a virtual assistant. You can learn how to sell on TikTok Live. You can learn how to DM people and sell. There's so much you could learn on here, guys. But I use Claude and I give Claude a prompt every single day to create my content for me. And all I have to do is copy and paste it into the um, the B-roll content that I've designed. Okay. So you're going to purchase Lux. You're going to go through the modules. You can post in the community. If you need help, you can reach out to me. We meet 4 times a week. Okay. The newbie chat happens tonight. Um, one of them because it's Monday. We meet Monday through Thursday. And when you join Lux, you not only get Lux, but you also get another community called Bridge to Wealth. So you're getting 2 communities for the price of one. We meet 4 days a week. You can have all your questions answered, go through the modules, learn how to create content, learn how to sell Lux, or if you don't want to sell, you can create another stream of income. Create your own digital asset and sell it. If we go to testimonials, Okay? $8,000, $8,800 in 24 hours. People are making money. Finally went live. Finally did it. She created her first digital product, AI Avatar. Officially walked away from my 9 to 5. 1362 my first day promoting. People are making money, guys. You need to sign up. When you sign up, you get Lux, you get Bridge to Wealth. I'll have them set up your store for you if you want, and you get your first digital product. If you want to get rid of your 9 to 5 and work for yourself, digital products is the cheat code. My mentor, this course creator, has made almost $1.5 million in almost 2 years selling digital products. If she can do it, why can't you? Your 9 to 5 job, if you give them the power to feed you, you also give them the power to starve you. Let me say that again. Your 9 to 5 job, you're giving them the power to feed you. You also give them the power to starve you. If you walked into work today and they fired you, what are you going to do? Digital products is the cheat code. You can create your own, you can sell somebody else's. What is Lux? It's a DFY product, a done for you product that you just have to market and sell. You can create your own product with ChatGPT, Claude, and Canva, which in this course it teaches you how to do that. Guys, you need to jump on this train. The link will be in the description. Digital marketing is where it's at. You make $224 every time you sell Lux. You can market and sell your own products. There's also in the classroom, there's a PLR Vault. So you can literally download these PLR products, there are 6 of them, and resell them at whatever price point you want. Okay? The PLR Vault. So let's go in here. There's a revenue roadmap, a Reels to Riches, social media planner, Canva crash course, faceless reels, passion to profits. You get access to all of these and you can rebrand them and sell them in your store for however much for 100% profit. Okay? So I just wanted to do this video about Lux, how you can join, what the payment plans are, because I missed that yesterday in the video. I said I was going to go over that. But I want you to know that you can sell digital products like everybody else using YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever you want. You can sell digital products. Start your business today. Start making money online. Do not give your job the freedom to feed you and starve you. Create your own business. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, drop them below. I hope to see you inside Lux soon. Have a great day, everybody.